I've been using the Ordinary's Rice Lipids plus Ectoin Microemulsion for a while now, and it honestly surprised me with how lightweight yet deeply hydrating it feels. The texture is silky and almost serum-like, absorbing quickly into the skin without any greasy or heavy residue, which makes it perfect for both day and night use. Despite how light it feels, it keeps my skin comfortably moisturized for hours and gives a soft, smooth finish that doesn't clog pores or feel suffocating. The formula combines plant-based lipids from rice along with jojoba oil to support the skin barrier, while Actoin and natural moisturizing factors help lock in hydration and protect against dryness and environmental stress. I've noticed my skin feels calmer, plumper, and more balanced, especially when dealing with dehydration or sensitivity. I usually apply a small amount after my serums and before sunscreen or at night as the last step of my routine, and it layers beautifully under makeup too. Overall, it's a great option if you want long-lasting moisture and barrier support without the heaviness of traditional creams.